Friends, I want to discuss that absolute convergence test. Our next teaching is absolutely convergence improper integral. Test the integral 0 to infinity fx dx for absolute convergence where fx is defined as fx is equal to 1 to 0 minus 1 to the power n plus 1. Friends, must remember here I discuss this category function. Okay, this category function I discuss, and then it is also a to b, also a lot of theory there is a to b. I will discuss only this way, a to infinity fx dx. Solution: we have a to infinity fx dx 0 to 1 fx dx and 1 to I can write 3 by 2 fx dx plus 3 by 2 to 2 fx dx up to infinity. Okay, clear? And next, whatever I get 0 to 1, when I get 0 to 1, then this value is 1. So I put this value 1. So my value is dx. And 1 to 3 by 2, when I get 1 to 3 by 2, my problem will arise this way. This problem is like n minus 1 and n minus 1 by n. So it is n equals to 2 and 2 minus 1 by 2 equals to 3 by 2. My case is arise this way. So it is 1 to 3 by 2 into 0 dx. And next case is n minus 1 by n x to n. Here n is equal to 2 and 1 minus 1 by n is equal to 3 by 2. So this case is minus, I can write it minus 3 by 2 dx. Why it is minus? Because 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, minus 1 cube is equal to 3. So it is this way, and after that up to infinity. And next, whatever I get this value 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus up to infinity. Whatever I get, we know that the series, we know that the series on the right hand, whatever it is right hand, this value is log 2. Why? Because log 1 minus x, 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 up to infinity. So in here putting x is equal to 1, so it is log 2, and log 2 means this way. Log 2 means this way. Therefore the given integral is convergent. Now I have to check it is absolute or not. That is convergent, and if 0 to infinity mod of fx dx is equal to 0 to 1 mod of fx dx plus 1 to 3 by 2 mod of, when I take mod value of fx dx up to 3 by 2 mod of fx dx Then whatever I get 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 up to infinity. So friends, this series is divergent series. This series is divergent series. This series is divergent. So whatever I get 0 to infinity mod of fx dx is divergent. So it is not the integral converges. The integral is converges but not absolutely. This is converges but not absolutely. It's conditional convergence. Means integral converges conditionally. Integral converges conditionally. Now I discuss what is absolute convergence. Absolute convergence. Absolute convergence. Absolute convergence means if f is bounded and integrable on a comma x for all x less than equals greater than equals to a, and if a to infinity fx dx, if mod of fx dx exists and a to infinity fx dx also exists, then I can say it is absolutely convergence. Thank you.